In this lesson, I will talk about DHCP relay configuration. In our previous lesson, we configured the DHCP server, and when the users here sent a DHCP discovery packet on the network, since there was a DHCP server in the VLAN they were in, they saw the DHCP discovery packets of the users and gave their IP addresses to the users. In this example, we will not use DHCP server on our firewall. When users in VLAN 11, VLAN 12, and VLAN 13 broadcast any DHCP discovery packets, that packet does not go outside the VLAN they are in. In order to send the DHCP discovery packets sent by these users to the DHCP server outside the VLAN they are in, we need to configure DHCP relay on the gateway. To summarize, the user here will broadcast the DHCP discovery packet on the network, and the default gateway will forward this packet to the DHCP server, and the DHCP server will give the IP address to the user here. In this example we will use VLAN 13. Here we will configure DHCP relay for VLAN 13 on our firewall. When a user in VLAN 13 sends a DHCP discovery packet in VLAN 13, the firewall here will forward this packet to the DHCP server here, and the DHCP server will give the IP address to the user in VLAN 13. Now let's go to the firewall side and configure it. We come to the Network tab, and here we select the DHCP relay option in the DHCP tab. Let's add here. We choose the interface that we will send requests from, which interface to the DHCP server. Here we will forward the DHCP requests coming from interface 14.13 to the DHCP server. Here, let's write the IP address of our DHCP server. Now we have done our DHCP relay configuration. Our firewall will forward DHCP requests from VLAN 13 to 172.16.44.144 DHCP server. Let's not forget to commit our settings. Now let's go back to our topology. Now a user on VLAN 13. When the DHCP discovery packet is broadcast on the network, the gateway here will forward this packet to the DHCP server here. That's it for our configuration. See you in our next lesson. Bye.